Now that you have assessed the quality of your studies, it's time to extract and synthesize your data. We're going to cover data extraction and data synthesis. These are two different things. I'll explain to you. You start with extraction and then you synthesize your data. Please also get the PDF guide. It will explain to you what data extraction and data synthesis is, and the editable Microsoft Word template will also help you to write your systematic review report. So get it through the link in the description. You will also need the data extraction table. I almost forgot. The link to that table is also in the description box, because here when you extract your data, you have to have a table where you are going to put your data and then you synthesize your data. Let's look at how you extract and synthesize your data. Let me make myself smaller so that you can see the table. I'm going to go up. Your data extraction table should look like something like this. It should capture crucial information that you are going to use for your reporting. In the template that I mentioned, the data extraction template that I created, the link is there in the description. I've included all these sections, and also in the table, I've made it in such a way that you can also filter using relevance of the articles, using the year, using the country. Maybe if you want to report on a specific country, you can just filter and get the articles that are relevant to that country. So that is why it's important to get that data extraction table so that you can extract your data into this table. When you extract your data, it will also help you in your future studies, because you already have the information in one table. Let's say you have done your systematic review, and then from that review, you identified a gap, and you have articles that are speaking about that gap. You just come back to your table and you use those articles to write your next paper. So it makes it super easy for you to write your subsequent studies. So as you extract data from Zotero, on the eligible articles, the relevant articles that you have picked that you are going to add in your report. Then you extract the data, you add the author, the year, the country, study design, sample size, measures, key findings. You can also add themes, strengths and limitations, policy, recommendations. So that is how you extract your data. You just go on Zotero under the articles that you have deemed relevant for your reporting, that answers the question that you asked earlier, and then you put them in a table like this. And then after that, you synthesize the data. Now that you have extracted the data, now that you have the data in front of you, it is time to put it together. That is what synthesis means. You have to identify patterns, themes, relationships. What is coming up from that data? What can you see? What is the recurring pattern? What is the recurring theme? So you have to synthesize the data. You have to put your data together. You don't necessarily have to report on each article. You don't pick an article and write about that article. Otherwise, your report will be long, and journals have a limit on pages and number of words. So you want to write cohesively. You have to kind of integrate your findings. Like I mentioned in the data extraction table that I created for you, you are able to filter by country or any filter that you want. So let's say you want to report on a specific country and the articles there, you can summarize or you can integrate the findings from those articles so that you can give high level insights. You don't just report or repeat what is written in each article, but you have to synthesize, you have to put together your information, and that forms your discussion. That helps you with your discussion. That is how you synthesize your data. Okay, the next and final step is for you to write your report. I will explain how you write your report. So I will see you in the next module or the next video.